If you love strawberries like I do, now is the time to start giving them a boost so they're going to make beautiful juicy berries come June time. We've got about 2 months until the berry season. Strawberries are one of my favorite plants, and I'm going to show you now what I do in order to give them a boost so they're going to be really ready to produce juicy berries. 2 things I'm going to do is I'm going to add an extra layer of compost around the plants, and then I'm going to be adding a slow release fertilizer, and then I'm going to water them thoroughly so they're going to be all soaked in, all those nutrients, and then just let them start growing. The crowns are going to be pulling out of the ground, and then we're going to be watching them to make sure that there's no going to be bugs, caterpillars, all that kind of good stuff. I've peeled back my cage top, so now I'm ready to get going. So this is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more compost and start putting it around the plants in my raised bed. So I lay them out here, give it a bit of a compost boost. Compost has a bunch of nutrients that will help the roots grow, help the leaves form, and get ready to start producing berries. So I usually put some compost down. You don't want to get it so that you smother the roots. And then I use my hands to make sure I'm not covering up the crowns, because what you want to do is make sure that there's enough room for the crowns to come through without extra difficulty. So there we go. Step 1, compost layer. Step 2, some fertilizer. So I use a organic tomatoes, vegetable and fruit fertilizer. It's a 448. So it's got enough to get the root formation going. What you do is it's kind of like pellets, and you sprinkle them around. Try not to get them too close to the roots, just around the open areas. So it'll get into the soil and the roots will find the nutrients. You don't have to worry about being super particular. You just don't want them to get too close to burn the plant sensitive areas. So you go through here and you put the fertilizer in. In my raised bed here I have 8 sections, and each one has 2 plants, so there's like 16 strawberry plants here that I'm preparing. I have over 40 in total that I'm getting ready to have a harvest on. I should have a harvest of strawberries that'll be enough to give me berries every day, plus some to freeze at the end to have. There's nothing like spreading your harvest out into the winter months by preserving some of your bounty. So there you go. I also you have to mix the fertilizer around in the soil in this case, because I just had the compost there. It's easy to, you make sure the leaves are all in their proper spot. Standing up. Get a good mix of nice fresh compost and fertilizer, so you got lots of nutrients available for the plants to grow. And of course I already showed you about my chicken wire protection thing, so I'm hopeful that I get to eat all this harvest and nobody else from Mother Nature comes in and steals any of my good fruit. But we shall see. That's part of the fun of gardening, is You never know what's going to happen. You just try your best, see what works, experiment a little bit yourselves as you go forward. So there we go. Compost layer, fertilizer layer, mixed up together. Now you want to get your watering can, and here's a nice two-handle can with a long spout. I'm just going to be soaking these babies so the nutrients get activated and start to seep down into the soil. And my plants will get a good start. And that's it. I'm Craig, the stand-up gardener. I'm a retired engineer and project manager. I'm also a 2-time cancer survivor with a hernia that I have to watch. I can't lift more than 20 pounds. So I've developed the stand-up garden technique. This is a nice stand-up garden bed that I'm using for my strawberry patch here. I'm also going to be showing you some other videos. You can check them out. I also have a subscribe button that helps me out as well. And I also have a stand-up calendar and planner down below with a link. Thanks very much, and we'll be starting next week with transplanting.